How to apply law of attraction in studies to remain positive about result and get inspired action from the universe. So positive about the result is, like, first of all, one thing you have to understand is, sometimes people ask like, okay, AJ, I haven't studied at all, and now my exam is in 10 days or 2 days or 3 days. Can I apply the law of attraction and pass the exam, or uh, become, even sometimes people ask, can I become topper of that exam? I haven't studied using the law of attraction. Now, law of attraction is not something like this. Law of attraction is about bringing the alignment. So to become successful in any exam, you have to study for sure. Without study, you cannot be successful in the exam. But why law of attraction or the process helps you along with it? Because there are times people struggle in exam not because of the lack of study, but along with the study, they have struggled to calm their nerves, they struggle to focus, they struggle to keep their vibration aligned with the outcome, they lack in confidence, they lack in focus, they lack in alignment. So even if there are people who study a lot, people who work a lot, because at the exam time they have doubts, they get stressed out, they get negative, that's why they struggle to get the good result. So that's why to be successful in exam or anything, we need two things. We need the effort and we need the mindset. We need the effort, we need the vibrational alignment. So that when both the things are there, then success is guaranteed for sure. So when it's come to study, to remain positive, one thing you can do, you can create a kind of a vision board. You can put the result that you want to score or achieve in this exam. You can write your name, you can put a mark sheet, you can put a result sheet on your vision board with your name, what you are manifesting, so that while studying you will always have your focus on the result. Now, many times people who struggle to study, they have one major problem, is that they forget about the result and they're mindlessly studying, or they are not studying at all and they keep wasting time. Focus and concentration are two of the most important things while studying. Now, the kind of people who can able to focus and concentrate well are the people who always know why they are studying and what they are targeting. Why they are studying and what they are targeting. When you know these things, you can able to stay a lot more positive, you can able to focus, because now you have a purpose, you have a focus, you have a goal. So that's why set a goal, maybe put a vision board or put the end result somewhere so that you can see it, it will give you inspiration. Now, how to get inspired action from the universe? You do not get inspired action from the universe. You have to take the inspired action. The universe can show you the path, the universe can guide you, but inspired action has to be taken by you, me, and all of us who are manifesting our goals. So what is inspired action? When you are taking the action with inspiration, means when you are studying, you are positive. When you are studying, you are excited for it. You are excited for the result. You are excited for studying. You are excited for preparation. You have the drive. You have the energy. Now, who are the people who become topper in any school, college, or university exam to IAS, IPS, anything? People who are excited about the result, people who love to prepare, people who love these exams, people who love to score great marks, people who love to be at the top of the game. Those are the people only become topper. You will never find someone who never loved to study, who never loved to prepare and become the topper in any exam. So that's the inspired action. When you are taking inspired action for studies, for exam, you are feeling excited, you are feeling happy, you are feeling positive, you are feeling aligned. And when you are sitting for the exam, it's your time, it's your job, you are really, really focused, you loved, you protect your time of studying, you cut all the distraction aside, you focus, it's like a sadhana for you. It's like utmost thing for you to study, and once you start doing, I can guarantee you, you will create such kind of result, everyone will be surprised. You will be at the top of your game. So if you are preparing for any kind of exam or studies or any competition, devote yourself, focus on the study, stay positive and take inspired action. Success will be all yours. Now let's go to the next question. It is Simran. Hi, please help me how to manifest my love back in my life and my marriage with him because on and off chalta rehta hai mera. Please do reply, sir. Simran, first of all, if your relationship is in this relationship, both of you are already in love, if not today, maybe before, and both of you had a deeper relationship, then you can definitely use our 5 minutes, 10 minutes meditation, and we have some amazing techniques on our channel. Then you can use it so that it can rekindle the spark, it can realign, and it can build the relationship, rebuild the relationship so that it can move forward. Now if the relationship is going on and off, provided there was love, if not there was love before from both the side, so whenever the on is going on, that's the time you be as positive as possible, you be as grateful as possible, you capitalize on that positivity part and give as much love as possible, be grateful to the universe, be grateful to this person, so that there would be a positive spark. And at that point you have a clear discussion with this your love and tell him that how much you really mean, how much you really want to build a positive relationship, and how much you want to take it forward to marriage, how much you want to do it in the right way, in the best way, and you let him know like how important it is and how really you want to take it forward. And if he has that spark, if he has that some sort of alignment or has that similar desire, he will definitely feel and connect. But let's suppose there are situations where most of the time the other person is not at all in the love or not at all in the love before, and they have no intention of getting married or anything. Then if that's the situation, then you have to really rethink that whether you want to move with someone who is not interested. But if there was love, then definitely you can heal the relationship, you can try, even you can do the manifestation technique, you can meditation, you can try even Ho Oponopono, you will practice gratitude. We have so many videos on relationship healing. Please go through our channel and watch them and use them. It will definitely help you. All the best to you. Now we have the next question from Delaney. Hey AJ, I am from Sri Lanka. Thank you so much. Please tell me if it's okay to visualize one time to manifest. If you are asking that whether you want to visualize for some dream only once and it will get manifested, it may not work that way. Only if you have absolutely no resistance or no doubt or nothing, then probably one manifestation, one visualization also help. But if you are asking, can you manifest, can you visualize once in a day to manifest something? Yes, it will work. If you are visualizing something once in a day in a very, very focused, positive way, then it will definitely help you in manifestation. Sometimes you can even visualize multiple times, but visualizing once in a day is really, really good for manifesting something. Visualizing twice is even much more powerful. But while visualizing, try to focus on being positive, feeling the joy, feeling the positivity, being in the moment, seeing the end result, so that it will really become very powerful. Now let's go to the next question. Hello sir, this is coming from Ashwini. Hello sir, after let go, can we continue Ho Oponopono prayer? Yes, you can definitely continue Ho Oponopono prayer, because Ho Oponopono prayer helps you greatly in overcoming blockages, overcoming negativity, in letting go of resistances. But at the same time, let's suppose someone is inherently quite negative, inherently quite stressed out or anxious. So doing Ho Oponopono prayer for some time every single day, it removes or settle down your negativity, and it always put you in a very, very positive and peaceful state. Most importantly, it get you into a very, very peaceful state. So yes, after letting go also you can do Ho Oponopono prayer for some time. It will really, really help you in even removing blockages in other area and bringing balance and calmness and positivity into your life. Great. I hope this is an insight for all of you. So that's all for today. And those of you who are not yet subscribed to our channel, please, please, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. Ask your questions in the comment section so that I can reply and give you all the insights and wisdom in the upcoming episodes. And most importantly, when you like, comment, and share, YouTube will recommend our videos to more and more people so that more people just like you find the solution to their life, manifest their dream, and will add more success stories to the book of the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.